to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of the keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using Bluetooth. Need to let someone in when you're not at home? Like when mom is early. Remotely let guests in anywhere, anytime. Create secure, temporary keys right on the app. For friends, family, service people. Once a set time ends, keys are automatically deleted. Track your door's activity so you know who comes and goes. Set alerts that matter to you, like getting alerted when your son arrives home. For total peace of mind, some locks let you check if your door is both closed and locked. You can also use your voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to check your door status and control your door. If you don't want to touch your front door's hardware or are renting, a retrofit lock is a perfect solution. These locks are easy to install and offer all the same remote access features. They attach to your existing lock on the inside of your door. Plus, keep your keys. Smart locks easily integrate into your smart home network, including wireless doorbell cams and home security systems. Most smart locks install in just minutes and only require a screwdriver. And don't forget about matching hardware. Complete your front door upgrade by purchasing matching handles to fit your door style.
how to wire this access control kit. This is the receiver. This wiring port is used to connect the power supply. This part is used to connect the exit button. For this part, you can select the mode according to that of the lock. This part is used to connect the lock. This is the RF key, and this part is used to set the unlocking delay time. The default unlocking delay time is 5 seconds, and you could change the settings according to your needs. This part is used to set the walking mode. The default walking mode is momentary. This terminal is used to connect the external buzzer. As to the wiring of the buzzer, grab the red wire of the buzzer and connect it to the positive terminal, and connect the black wire to the negative terminal. This terminal is used to connect the access keypad. Next, we will show you how to wire each component. Firstly, this part is used to connect the exit button. We use the white and blue JST 2-pin cable. Grab the white wire to connect to the NO terminal of the exit button, and grab the blue wire connected to the COM terminal. Secondly, connect the magnetic lock to the receiver. Grab the red and black JST 2-pin cable. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the magnetic lock, and then connect the black wire to the negative terminal. As the magnetic lock is a fail-safe lock, we set it to NC. Finally, connect the power adapter to the receiver and plug the power adapter to the outlet. Then, we will show you how to pair the transmitter with the receiver. Press the RF key on the receiver once, and the indicator on it will flash green once. Then, press the button on the transmitter within 20 seconds. The LED indicator on the receiver will flash green 3 times to indicate the pairing is successful. After you press the button on the transmitter, the magnetic lock will unlock the door. And when you press the exit button, the lock will unlock too. The buzzer beeps once to indicate unlock, beeps twice to indicate the lock is closed. As to how to clear code, please press and hold the RF key for 8 seconds until the indicator changes from green to red. When you press the transmitter again, the lock will not unlock, which indicates that the code is cleared successfully. Thanks for your watching.